a wee bit of snow last night, so that means for this Blairvadach bite we're going to try and make a volcano out of snow. We started our experiment by drawing what we think a volcano should look like. We then started to build up the snow and created our volcano. Leave a small hole in the top to fit your cup or bottle. You then need to get your ingredients ready. We used a couple of tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda, a tablespoon of washing up liquid, and a little bit of food colouring to make it extra special. We then buried our bottle in the middle and got 200 millilitres of vinegar in a jug. This is what happened. If you're not getting a big reaction, give the ingredients a little stir and this will help things come along. You can also add more bicarbonate of soda or more vinegar as you please. Also, add some different colours of food colouring, it's quite cool.